We are using the Panasonic 4K camcorder, looking at what I believe to be black mold. I could be wrong, but I believe that's black mode. Camera's in infrared mode. I'm going to shine an infrared flashlight on that so we can examine this. I don't really know if that's black mold. Does anybody know if this is black mold? But this is the advantage of having a camera that will allow you to go into infrared mode. Very easy to set this up on the Panasonic camera. You have to go into the menu. You have to click on night mode. Night mode, you have to do this in manual setting. You can't do this in automatic. Then you want to go to night mode. You want to turn it on. Unless you turn it on, you're never going to see the infrared highlighted. And then once you do night mode on, you'll get an option of off for infrared, color, or the infrared setting. You don't want to use color unless you have a tripod. You definitely want to use the infrared setting. This is the back of the wallpaper. Let me go tape this back up because this is pretty dangerous. Let's turn off the regular light, see what we have in here. I don't really know that we have mold in here. Looks like we have some wallpaper stuff. I'm not sure what the camera's picking up. I'm seeing a lot of weird patterns over here in this area. When I get home, I'll look. We go to another area of the house where we definitely believe there is mold, and we'll see what we have. There is no doubt this is mold. I don't know how bad it is. It's black, and there's mold, and there's moisture over here, so it's probably black mold. We are in another closet with the infrared setting. I believe there's mold in here. It's a new floor, so it's really hard to see what's going on in here. Let's check another closet out. Here's another closet. Let's shine the infrared on here. That's probably wallpaper paste. We are looking at a kitchen counter, absolutely filthy. I just cleaned this area. I cleaned this, did a little video on that using Windex. But this is where it's not clean. Can we see it? That's where it's not clean. That's an area where I did do some cleaning. But you can see with the infrared camera how filthy this thing is. Yeah, most of this area was clean, but let's go over to an area over here where it wasn't clean. Go check the sink out over here. This is absolutely filthy. Not sure if the camera is picking it up. Let me take this out of infrared. The regular camera now with the infrared light. This is the area that I cleaned. This is the area that I didn't clean. At the infrared light, it doesn't look so bad. These little marks are probably cleaning solution. Let's go look at the sink over there. That's probably soap. That's definitely dirt. That's mold. Not mold, that's filth. Let's go back to the closets. That is the black mold without the camera being in infrared. Now we have the infrared flashlight on there. It's gross. Totally gross. It's the outlet over there. There's a lot of mold around here. Back in the closet, the second closet where I said there might be mold in here. Really hard to tell. Finally, I think that's mold. It's definitely wallpaper glue wallpaper backing, and that looks like mold over there. That's without the light. That's with the light. So maybe somebody who understands what all of this means can tell me if this is black mold or not. But I'm just showing an example of what the camera will do. This is just on regular mode now. I'm going to put the camera back into infrared mode. The camera is now in infrared mode. Let's get the flashlight on there with the infrared. Does it make a difference? Not really. That's where the moisture is, down there by the floor. And to finish off the video, we're back to the regular camera mode, no infrared. Let's put on the infrared flashlight. This is wallpaper that has been removed, and we've got some glue on the walls. New wood floor. Not sure if that's mold. There's probably mold that was behind at the base of the wall, and they put baseboard on there. They should have left it alone and cleaned it up, but they wanted their money and they wanted to get out of here. So there's probably a massive amount of mold behind that. Looking at a toilet with the infrared light. Probably, it's hard to say if that's soap or if that's body fluids. Another toilet, we put the infrared flashlight on. And yeah, the stuff's all over the place. Right in front of the toilet. Streaming down in front of the toilet. Look at the sink. So is it really bodily fluids, or is it just soaps? Cleaning detergents will have different things in them that will cause you to get this type of color, the splotching that we see in the sink, but definitely not as bad as it is by the toilet. Finally, we've got curtains that probably haven't been cleaned in 40 years. Do we see any dirt or anything on the curtain? Not really. On the floor, new floor, so you can't really tell. Again, like I said, they covered it up, covered the mold, probably the mold with molding. So that's going to be the end of the video on what you can see with a camera that shows you infrared and what you can see when you're just using a regular camera and an infrared flashlight. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment, and all the stuff nobody does. And donation link in the video description. Thanks for watching, people. That is the handle to a refrigerator. And the inside of a microwave oven.